guitar enthusiasts, we're doing Stand By Me on Guitar here by Benny King. Now this song does have a bar chord, but I have a very nice fix for those of you who are beginners. That's why this is a beginner lesson. We're gonna be playing 4 open chords instead of a bar chord. So let me show you how we're gonna fix that. So the chords you would typically use for this song are gonna be an A major chord, a D major chord, an E major chord, and then, oh, this F sharp minor bar chord pops in. And you can even hear, that was kind of a crappy bar chord on my part too. But I'm gonna show you an easy fix for this, because for a lot of people, they play this bar chord and that's what it sounds like. And it's so frustrating when you're a beginner and you come across these bar chords and you can't play them. So what I do for my students is I show them easy fixes so that when we're at the beginner level, we can still play these songs and have fun with them. So because we're already using an A major chord in this song, all I want you to do is take that A major chord and move everything down 1 string. So you're gonna be playing everything on the bottom 3 strings. Okay, now there's many ways to play this A major chord. For some of you, I know some of you have really big fingers and you can't fit 3 fingers in that. So you might be playing it as a bar already, or you might just be playing it with 2 fingers. However you play your A chord, just shift that down 3 strings and you're just gonna strum the bottom 3 strings. It doesn't sound as full or as nice as the full bar chord, but if you can't, it's definitely a lot better than that. So that's my easy fix for that F sharp minor bar chord. Now for those of you who don't know me, my name is Lauren Bateman and I help make the guitar make sense. I especially love working with older beginners so that you can have fun playing the songs you know and love, just like this one. So the strumming pattern, let's talk about it. All right, the strumming pattern, we're going to be doing a very, very simple beginner strumming pattern. Now, for a lot of people, if you're just getting started, you might just want to do 4 strums per chord and just be going 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just 4 strums per chord. And that's the nice thing about this song. It's not a fast song either, so we really can take our time with the strumming. And so you guys know, I do have notes over on my website, laurenbateman.com. You can follow along with the chords and the lyrics over there if you need some extra notes. So the chord progression for this song is very repetitive. It's 8 chords, and then we go back and repeat the same thing over and over again. Another reason why it's a great beginner song. So we're gonna play 2 measures of A, 2 measures of F sharp minor. All right, remember, we're just gonna be moving our A chord down 1 string each. It makes it a very nice, simple chord transition. Then after F sharp minor, we're already here, we're gonna shoot to D. All right, so if you notice, this is something I teach my students in my 7-level guitar system. We always focus on pivot points. What fingers can we leave down? The less fingers we move, the easier it is to get into the next chord. So we're going from F sharp minor into a D chord. Look at this. I just leave, if you play with your first finger on that top string, I can leave that finger there and just pivot the other 2 into place. All right, so we've got an A chord. We shift everything down 1 string to the F sharp minor. We pivot into the D chord, and then watch this. This is a cool trick. We're gonna get into that E major chord, slide your first finger up, and put the other 2 fingers in place. Isn't that cool? So we just got all these cool little pivot points and slide points. The only thing with the A chord is you have to move a few extra fingers, but it's not too bad. These 2 just come down 2 strings and the A chord goes on top. So once again, we got A chord, F sharp minor chord, D chord, and then the E major chord. Okay, and we're gonna play each one of these twice in a row. So you get to hang on each of the chords a little bit. Now, if you feel like you're up for an extra little challenge, what I would recommend is adding in a nice little upstrum in between the 3 and the 4 beat. So it's gonna sound like this. So you can hear that 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, 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 up, down. That's the strumming pattern. Let's just try that a couple times. Let's play it. We're gonna stay on that A chord, and let's just play it 4 times in a row so you guys can practice playing along with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to apply this strumming pattern over that chord progression. I have a slight correction to make because I looked at my notes. So the chord progression for this song is going to be 2 A chords, 2 F sharp minor chords, a D chord once, an E chord once, and then back to the A chord for 2 measures. So you get to stay on that A chord a lot in this song. Now, if you're a member of my Fellowship of the Strings, I will give you access to a full play along of this song. So if you're a member of my private community, hop on over there and you can find the secret link over there for that video. So let's start off with an intro, then I'll jump into a verse, and then I'll jump into a chorus. Ready? Let's get that strumming down. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, 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 up, down. Okay, on your own. D, E. Ready? Here we go. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If you're looking for more songs for beginners that use these exact same chords, then go check out my beginner song playlist right over there. There's great songs like Leaving on a Jet Plane, Walk the Line, and other classics that you could start learning today. Go click on that playlist right now.